Hello students, welcome to Right Back again in my video teaching session. Myself Neeraj Misra, the computer teacher of your school. Welcome you right back again in this video lecture in which I am going to explain about the most important topic of the chapter 1, unit 3 and for class 10. The topic is Windows 7. Students, as you all are acquainted with better acquainted with the word Windows 7. Windows 7 is a GUI operating system. It provides the GUI interface to the users to interact with the computer. It was created, designed by the Microsoft company, and its 7 version became so popular. Why? Because it provides many interactive features. It provides many interactive features due to which it became so popular. It became popular not only in the field of education but also in the research center, in the research homes and offices. It is very convenient and efficient to use. In this mode of operating system, users are not required to remember the commands to operate with the computer. Ready-made commands are available. Users only have to opt and choose the commands as per the job required, as per the operation required, and the command is completed and the task is completed. So, this is the most important and the most effective features of the Windows operating system. So, let us know separately about the different features of the Windows 7 operating system. The first important feature is it is a user-friendly operating system. It is user-friendly and multitasking GUI operating system. What does it mean? It means user-friendly means it provides a very easy to use features. That's why it is very easy to use. What are these features? You can use your mouse is to give the command to the computer in very fast and easy way. Multitasking features allows the users to open more than one file at a time and can work over it. At the same time, you can work onto the same file without feeling any frills. So this is the most important feature. Second one is arrow shake features. This feature support to minimize the window by pointing the mouse pointer over the window pane and shaking our mouse. You only have to shake your mouse. So when you will shake your mouse, your Windows pane will be automatically minimized. And when you again bring the mouse pointer over the minimized button and click over it, you will again the Windows will again restored. So this feature is known as arrow shake feature. Arrow shake feature, है ना? Third one is arrow themes and arrow background. This feature allows to choose a new theme for our Windows and choose a slideshow of our favorite photographs. Fourth one is home media streaming. This feature of the Windows allows to store and share the music, video, photos and supporting TV functioning to stream the TV programs. You can easily watch the TV programs onto your computer, onto your PC, a screen. Fifth one is the home group. Home group is also very important feature of the Windows 7 operating system. that allows to make a group of computers, that will allows to make a group of computer users through the local networking for the purpose of sharing files, folders, program, application and so on. And this is called the home group. This home group is protected by the password and one can allowed or disallowed to access the nodes of the network. Next one is the internet and digital TV, is also an excellent feature of the Windows 7 operating system that allows to turn our PC into internet TV and turn our computer into digital video recorder by using Windows Media Center. Next one feature is a jump lists. This feature allows to quick access our favorite, recent and frequent used files. Recent and frequent used files. The files which have been frequently used will be listed in the quick list. Next one is the improved taskbar. In Windows 7, you know about the taskbar. Taskbar is the horizontal strip. Horizontal strip basically present to the bottom of the desktop, and the desktop is the main screen of the Windows operating system where so many small pictures are present. The pictures that is representing to any file, folder, program, applications and so on, that are called icons. And the taskbar is the horizontal stripe, horizontal bar present basically to the bottom of the desktop, containing one important button to its left end, that is called the start button, and to the right end, that is called the notification area, or the that is called the notification area. So the taskbar has also been improved in the Windows 7. We can customize our taskbar according to our needs. We can include any program that are needed to frequently started. May also be include that one program in the favorite list. The list that is basically presented to the right side of the start button. So it can also be listed as the favorite programs that can be started by bringing the mouse pointer over it and click once onto the icon. The concerning program will be started. Next one is the Arrow Snap. Arrow Snap is also an important feature of the Windows 7 that allows to resize and expand windows more quickly for comparing the windows contents separately. We can easily resize and expand the windows. Next one is the Arrow Peak feature. The feature makes all the windows transparent. Suppose two or more windows are stacked one over the others. To that window, the window that is present to the bottom of the current window will be transparent. Means there is a transparent feature of the windows will be there. Okay, all windows can be transparent display, and one can easily see the desktop contents. Next one is the Windows search engine and libraries. This feature allows to search the devices connected in the network. We can easily search the devices which are connected in the network. So this feature is known as Windows search feature. And last one is Windows touch feature. This feature of the Windows 7 support the touch screen monitor for the user to better interact with the PC, better interact with the computer screen. That's why this one a special feature, special programs are included in Windows 7. So These all are the important features of the Windows 7 about which we have already described. So listen here carefully, and if you have completed to watch the video, your task is to write about this all the features in your own words. After that, I do think that you have completed to watch the video carefully. So for till have a nice day, and thank you.